Schools in Whitefish Bay warning parents about a case of pertussis, that's also known as whooping cough. A student at Cumberland School has whooping cough despite being up to date with immunizations. One mom we spoke with says she is not worried.
They've all been vaccinated, and I think that's as good as we can do to keep them safe.
Whooping cough starts with cold symptoms and a cough that gets worse over the next couple of weeks. Parents need to talk to their doctor if their child comes down with symptoms that include a constant cough.